Hello traders and investors, this is a technical analysis video for XNA. First, let's recap where we are. From the beginning to the top, we made 31x, and from the breakout to the top, we are up 5x. So XNA's price action is ultra bullish, not just bullish, it's ultra bullish. Now you can see that from the breakout, we are up in almost a straight line. And in trading, usually price doesn't advance all the time in a straight line. There are corrections. So if you are like me, you must be expecting a price correction and you are wondering where is it going to go to. Now there are two options. There is the easy mode and there is the bull market mode, and you need to be aware of both options. The easy mode is when the market gives you the opportunity to sell high and buy back low, and price continues to appreciate and everyone is happy, and this is easy mode. The second option, which is common in bull markets, it's the price doesn't retrace too much, it just maintains the high price level, but it is consolidating, and after a consolidation phase it resumes the uptrend. What's the psychology behind it? The psychology is that maybe some people sold the top, maybe miners or maybe I don't know, whoever, but the majority of the holders are not selling because they believe in higher prices and they don't want to sell their assets. The same way that we see here. Look at this. This is the volume profile for XNA, and you can see that the majority of the buying and the selling was before the breakout. And even though XNA broke out and made excellent price action, there are not a lot of buyers and sellers. Why? Because the holders believe they can get more. And I'm guessing that many people look at XNA's price action and they say, okay, I will wait for a correction. I will buy when price corrects. But because the majority of the holders are not interested in selling at these prices, price doesn't correct to the downside very much. Instead, it goes sideways. And then all the people that were sitting on the fence, they get in because they stopped believing in lower prices, and this is how the market resumes its bullish momentum. How does it look? It looks something like this. This is Cadena. Cadena in the previous bull market, it was a beast. And you can see that the fractal looks very much like XNAs. So how can it look on XNA? Something like this. Consolidation in place while maintaining high prices and continuation to the upside. These two are options. I don't know what's going to happen, and nobody does. But these are the two options, and you need to consider these options and to make the best decision for you, whether it's to buy, whether it's to sell, whether it's to hold. You are you decide. Okay, I just give you the information. Now, assuming, if we assume that the market is still in easy mode and we can go down before resuming the uptrend, then this area has a lot of confluence. First, we have a demand zone. I don't know if someone doesn't know what a demand zone is, I will explain in the next video or in a dedicated video. You just need to write it in the comments, okay? But the proximal line for this demand zone is at 0.0025 and the distal line is at 0018. We also have the confluence of the 20 and the 50 EMAs, which are at around this demand zone. And if we pull a fib retracement from the bottom to the top, okay, then the 0.382 fib retracement, which is a shallow retracement, is also inside this demand zone, okay? So this area has a lot of confluence, but it doesn't mean that price will go this way. It only means that it is a possibility. I gave you all the options. Now you have all the information that you need to make the best decision for you. And I really hope it was helpful. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.